Hey guys, it's Chris with Life After 50. Is it too late to do cryptocurrency, to invest in cryptocurrency? Is it a scam? What is it? I think it's here to stay. I think you should look into it. I am, so enjoy the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Cryptocurrency is a form of digital currency that you can use to pay for just about anything. You can also invest in crypto as part of your portfolio. It goes by different names, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and yes, Dogecoin. While they work differently, there's a common tie. Crypto isn't issued or regulated by any central authority, including the federal government.
Alright guys, this is my first dip into crypto. I'm starting with Bitcoin. I'm going to do a little bit of Ethereum too. I'm not trying to get rich quick. I just want to hold a value. So maybe 10 years from now, 5 or 10 years from now, not only will it go up, but the dollar will be going down. As we all know, it's just horrible. This is April or May of 2022. It's just going to get worse for a while. So not much. I didn't put a lot on it. And the reason I'm using this Ballet wallet is if you've seen my video, or it might be in this video, I'm not sure, where I buy gold. Hey guys, we're talking about gold and eventually crypto. I'm starting out here at LV Coin, and this is what I picked up today. I want to sit on this for 5 or 10 years, so this is not a get rich quick scheme. But anyway, this video is about diversifying, and is it worth investing after 50 in gold and crypto and other things? Those guys just started doing crypto, and this is what they're using, the Ballet wallet. And you get an app on your phone, and I can do transfers and stuff. And I won't be putting a lot into this only. I'll probably do some stuff on Coinbase also. But the thing is, this is a cold wallet, so this stays with me. And if the websites go down, Coinbase or whatever, I've still got this. So research it, do it, but this is mine. So I just want to do a quick unboxing because I have not opened it yet. I've saved it for this event. All right, so this is it. I can't, like I say, you can send me money, but until I scratch off this stuff, you can't take my money. So anyway, after 50 is not too late to try something new, just a little bit. Kevin O'Leary, he's a big, you know him from Shark Tank. I think he's got 20% of his investments in some type of cryptocurrency, and he calls it a technology. It's like the internet. Remember when the internet, like, oh, that'll never take off or hang around? Well, there you go. If I can make some money for retirement and not lose as much as the dollar, great. If I end up making quite a bit, hey, all the better. Anyway, cryptocurrency, baby.